Hello everyone, it's Kathryn. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a couple of projects with you. These are going to be hung up in my daughter's room. She loves unicorns and hearts and rainbows and sparkly things. So I made these rosettes for her room. These are really fun and shiny. I used holographic paper. I got this from Michael's. And this is a Tim Holtz rosette die, and everything else I got from AliExpress. And I've really been loving using these hearts. These were sent to me by a new designer. I'm going to have all of her information down in the description box below. And I have pictures of my tag book that I completed. I made the charms and everything for that, so I have that on my Instagram. And I'll have that down in my description box below if you guys want to check that out. And these are the dies. This is the die for that. And then the next one, oh my gosh, I can't pick it up. This is the die. And here's the project. And I made a mistake. I started putting like gold on everything and I forgot that I had already put all these holographic things down, so it's like a mix of everything. But like I said, it's going in my daughter's room and she doesn't care. She loves everything. So she's gonna be like, yay mommy, I love it. So I used these hearts right here that come out. I use these from different projects. I've just been collecting them, and then these stars came off of a couple different projects. And I popped that up, and I have a rosette under here. And then I popped that up on a heart that came out of a different, well, it came out of this one, but it came off of a different project that I was doing. And then this rainbow one right here. And then I'll probably put this, I'll probably cut this out a couple more times or out of some thicker cardstock and then be able to hang it up that way, so it'll just have some sturdiness to it. And then here's the heart from the last one, this centerpiece right here, and the unicorn. And then here's one of these bows that I did. I showed a video on these. I'll try to remember to put this in the description box or link it at the end. And that is all I have. So make sure you guys check out those videos that I mentioned, and don't forget to check out the description box for the information. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!